Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. I love coffee. In this episode, I want to share you something else. How to let go of the behind of mentality. Don't waste time arguing with reality. Remember this. Prevent yourself from getting caught up in merely wishing you were in a different place. Instead, practice radical acceptance, acknowledging where you are and where you'd like to be, and of course, take some intentional steps forward to get there. Remember how far you've come. An incredible shift occurs when you stop comparing your journey to that of others and instead start measuring your progress against how far you have come. Ask yourself, what do you now have that you one day only wished for? How have you grown? Focus on what brings you joy. Oftentimes, the area or two in which you feel so behind takes up a disproportionate percentage of your focus. Try redirecting your attention to other areas of life and remember the little things that spark joy, gratitude, and presence with what you do have. Also remember that everything worth having takes time, and there is no expiration date on your success. Write it down, and the life you crave will take time to build. Your consistency will pay off. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.